at that thing. Man, I'll tell you what, when it comes to a crappie lure, that Tackle Max swim bait, if you don't have any, you're crazy. Yellow or orange head seems to work best. A little chartreuse on the tail. Tackle.max.com. Order you some 1.8s. That tail's got the most movement of any swim bait I've ever seen in a crappie jig. 2 casts, 2 crappie, a 13, and this one's got to be close to 14 inches.